Come and tell him how much we are suffering here. Come. Everybody come.
So you are the big man now, eh? Where you be going? Will you surrender to the other NDF camp? No. They will eat you. A word of Icomod. Huh? That might be better, but what next? Jail? War crimes? Huh? You think you can just go and do what you want in peace? You will go back to your village and your family will not associate themselves with you. You will be nothing. You and your uneducated poor mind, you will be nothing. Nobody will care for you. Look at you. And you will wake up and you will rise and see the sunrise and see the sunset, and you could just wait all day, with thousands of men just like you, waiting for somebody to give you a job. That is what you want to go and do? You are stupid. I'm nothing. No future. I am your future.
You fucking die here, sir.
What? How are you going to shoot me if you don't have bullets? And you, Agu? Are you Aki commander? Hey, Agu, I'm going to shoot the commander. Come. Huh? Push it. Do it. Come, Agu, come. Put it here. Yeah. Okay, commander.
Do it. Agu. Do it.
Kill the commandant. You want to surrender? Huh? You want to surrender? You want to surrender?
Yes.
There you go. Just get out. Just remember when you are all poor and hungry, you will remember me. You will remember your commandant. Just go! Just go!
Come on, everybody, let's move. Yes, sir. Come on, let's go.
I know that I will be calling for you one day. Go and drink gunpowder tea and play in drafts. No, no, no. You go remember me. You go remember your commandant. You go say, yeah. Remember, I will call for you again. And you will come. Remember. They will just lock you up in jail. You are stupid. By the time you come back, let the other one, they can't eat you. Just chop for you heart. I go, you stay here because they don't...